This is the only reason I fade the market. I'm going to be breaking down the only time I'm looking for a counter trend move in the markets, and it's going to be based on auction market theory and order flow. The fade happens when we reach an auction extreme, so a top end or a bottom end of a balance. And I don't necessarily want to say, oh my God, that's going to be a resistance, that's going to be a support. I'm looking for a move that actually tries to move through that and starts failing on the bullish side with lower lows and lower highs. I'm also using the concept that this is going to be a failed move into a mean reversion back inside of that balance. The other thing I'm looking at is going to be, how does price actually get into that point? How does price actually move up from an order flow perspective? Because I need to make sure that we're breaking that order flow structure to understand that there is going to be the potential of those sellers that are coming through. So this would look like a scenario where if markets are moving up and there's kind of a stair step of order flow of imbalances that are holding, you see these massive buyers over here. My whole directive is if we can actually start breaking that kind of structure to the downside a little, and I can look for that reversal that's actually holding these lower highs. So when I see that concept and I see these guys are actually not holding all that buy support anymore, well, I'm looking for that reversal that may happen. The other concept behind that is there going to be delta that accumulates at that top? For instance, we have all of this positive delta that's telling me over here, you know what? All this buy side is not going anywhere because we're starting to create structure that creates lower lows and incremental lower highs after failing to move through that distribution top. Likewise, it's going to be the case into a distribution bottom as well. We get a move below, right? We start failing it, and we start incrementally making new highs through the order flow that creates all of that clustering of traders getting trapped into that low to look for that reversal. So if you guys want to learn more about this and more about the strategy, we got a free PDF down below.